In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a passport on PayPal. This is a crucial step for many users, particularly when you need to verify your identity to comply with financial regulations, potentially increase your account sending and receiving limits, or enhance the overall security of your PayPal account. Identity verification is a standard procedure across financial platforms, designed to protect both you and the service from fraud and illicit activities. Successfully adding your passport ensures your account remains in good standing and allows you to utilize all of PayPal's features without interruption. To begin this process, your first action will be to navigate to your PayPal account settings. This initial step is quite straightforward. Simply go to Settings. If you're not already logged in, please take a moment now to securely sign into your PayPal account using your registered email address and your personal password. Once you've successfully logged in and are on your main PayPal dashboard, you'll need to locate the Settings option. Typically, this is represented by a small gear icon, which is often positioned in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Alternatively, it might be accessible through a drop-down menu associated with your name or profile picture. Clicking on this icon will direct you to a comprehensive page where you can manage various aspects of your account, ranging from personal information and security preferences to your linked payment methods. However you access it, the key is to arrive at the page where you can update your personal details and manage your account documents. Once you have successfully reached your account settings page, your next important action is to click on Add Passport. Within this settings area, you will need to carefully look for a section specifically dedicated to identity verification or document uploads. This particular section might be clearly labeled as Upload Documents, Verify Your Identity, Identity Confirmation, or something similar, depending on any recent updates to the PayPal interface. Within this designated area, you should then find a specific clickable option that says Add Passport, or perhaps Add ID or Upload ID document. PayPal requests official documents like a passport to confirm your identity as an essential part of their Know Your Customer, or KYC policies. These are standard global practices for all regulated financial services to prevent money laundering and fraud. After you click Add Passport, you will most likely be guided to a new page or a pop-up window where you'll be prompted to upload a clear scan or a high-quality photograph of your passport. When preparing your document, it is absolutely crucial to ensure that the image is perfectly well lit, entirely in focus, and distinctly shows all four corners of your passport's photo page. Pay close attention to avoid any glare that might obscure important information, and always double-check that your passport is current and has not expired.